just want to tell you guys a few things. My friend Noah was recording this for like his funny moments and stuff, so he sent it to me so I could upload it, and he edited it all. It's really well edited. He makes some great videos. His link will be in the description. So go check him out. And this video was recorded kind of like by Christmas time, so that's kind of why there's like some snow inside the GTA. So hope you guys enjoy this. Make sure to leave a like and comment if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Wait, Taxi, look back. What is that?
Screw you, dude.
Oh my! You didn't die!
That's because I saw it in the front the whole time. Alright, I have a plan. Look at me.
Alright.
Look at me when I talk to you. Alright, boy. Here's our plan. Here's what we're gonna do.
The plan.
Oh, crap. I'll be right back.
No! You killed me!
I came in guns blazing.
Hey! This is my car. I'm driving.
Sorry, dude. Oh, you little nerd. Hold on. I'm about to
Get
die.
in.
I'm about to die.
Get in!
I can't. You freaking threw me out. I'm almost dead.
You're welcome.
Yaga. You stopped way too far. Oh, God. Hold him off. Hold him off. Hold him off. Give me all the money. Give me all the money, boy. All the money. Alright, you know what? Screw it. I just shot him in the forehead.
Oh crap! No, I didn't even get in my car.
Alright, I got it. Here it comes.
No time now. Get in.
Go, go, go. God.
Oh, he's right here.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
Don't you think I would if I could?
Nerd. Hold on. I'm gonna plop this out here. Oh!
Wait.
My God!
I didn't know that was you.
We'll resume where we left off. 1 second. Let me get over there. What? I was dying? What? That never happened. I just got ran over by a car.
Oh yeah.
You didn't blow up your car, did you?
Nope.
Alright, 1 sec. Here I come.
Anytime now. I'm gonna die.
Here I come. Sorry, you killed me.
I died.
I am back, baby.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Woo! 1 sec. Search the car for sticky bombs.
God dang it! I blew the car and it landed right on you.
Bank truck up here.
A bank truck?
A bank truck.
Armored
Did you
truck.
seriously just call it a bank truck?
Yes,
You're
I
so
did.
stupid.
Retard alert! Retard alert, class!
He called it a bank truck.
Die, bank truck, die!
Get the automatic shock. Wait, what level are you at?
Die, bank truck, die! Got it. Got it all. Let's go.
Cops
died.
are on you.
I died. Hopefully I still have some.
Now at least you got the bank truck.
I got the bank truck, man.
Do you?
How do you do that? How do you do that? Show me.
My little secret. Huh.
Show me it now.
Ah, get away from me! Oh, what the? How did I kill you? I just ran into you. Pick up some snow. Just stop standing. Oh,
you
dodge.
dodged.
Oh, that was sick. Oh, you
I
dodged
dodged
mine.
it, dude.
I got this. Oh, dang.
Oh,
Shot.
get out!
No. No. Oh. Oh.
Oof.
Oh. Get owned.
Get off me. Oh god.
You guys so bloody.
No! What?
When you were running away, I tried. My aim locked onto you, and I threw the snowball and it hit the civilian running behind you, right in the head.